Welcome back. If you've been wondering how to enable autoplay videos on Facebook using your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Facebook has slightly adjusted where this setting lives, but don't worry, it's still quick and easy to turn on. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open the Facebook app or website on your PC and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand a few more options. Now select Settings to open the main settings page. Once you're inside the settings area, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Media. Click on it to access your media preferences. Now you're almost done. In the media settings, look for the option called Autoplay Videos. Right next to it, you'll see a toggle or selection option. Simply choose On to enable autoplay. And that's it. From now on, videos on your Facebook feed will automatically start playing as you scroll, making your browsing experience more dynamic and engaging. If you ever want to turn it off again, just follow the same steps and switch the setting back. Thanks for watching.